and I'm currently working as a software engineer at Microsoft, and I'm also an educator at Level. So I'm really excited to announce that we are starting with the one of the last legs of the entire series of DBMS and talk about SQL. Right? We've talked already and discussed already a lot about the fact that if you want to communicate your request to the databases, right? If you want to fetch some information, delete some information, right? And if you want to update some records, you need to use a well structured and powerful language in order to fetch the desired results. So in this set of videos, we are actually going to talk about a language which is known as SQL. The full form for that would be Structured Query Language, which is actually popularly used to access relational models databases data. Okay, so that is what we're going to do in this series of sessions. This is going to be more of a hands-on session. So we will actually try to run a lot of queries, create databases, manipulate databases, fetch records, and see how all of the entire process works. Okay, so I would recommend all of you to also have like a computer handy. As a prerequisite to understand these sessions, I would recommend that you have MySQL installed. If you are a Linux user or like a Windows user or Mac user, you would find relevant and good resources online in order to be able to do that. So I would recommend that by the time you start these videos, you have SQL handy, right? And you have already MySQL installed in your systems so that you can actually do all the queries and execute all the queries that we do. Okay, so we are actually going to start with the very basic queries and with the very basic operations that can be done, and then we'll follow up our discussion to talk about some complex operations that can also be done. So I hope all of you are really excited for this. I am very excited to go through these sessions. This is personally one of the best part about DBMS, which can actually, where all of the theoretical knowledge that you've seen can be actually put to some practical use. Okay, so let's quickly get started with this series of SQL in the next sessions. Thank you. Have a great day.